Cook with Sinapom.
Hi everyone. How's it going? Today is the day we make thick sushi rolls once a year. It's Spring Setsubun Day. This is the day when winter ends and spring arrives. There are various theories. It is said that winter is the demon and spring is the good luck. People use hard roasted beans to drive away demons and pray for good luck. The custom of eating a thick sushi roll called ihomaki on Setsubun spread from Osaka to all over Japan. You can eat thick sushi rolls all year round, but Sinapom makes them only once a year. Today, she'll make a thick roll with non-Japanese ingredients so that anyone can make it. Okay, let's go! If your rice isn't rinse-free, please gently rinse it. Add a little less water than usual. One cup of rice makes 2 thick sushi rolls, so Sinapom will make 3 rolls. If you don't have these, it's no problem. Please see the description for the vinegared rice recipe. Soak it for 30 minutes and cook it. You can use the quick cook. Once the rice is cooked, mix it with the vinegar immediately. So let's prepare the vinegar. Mix these seasonings in a small bowl. Again, you can find the recipe in the description. If you come across a product called sushi vinegar, it already has all the seasoning in it, so please don't add anything to it. The sugar will dissolve while you leave it, so it's fine. Then leave it aside. Most sushi rolls contain rolled omelet. It is often sweet. If you add sugar, it will burn easily. Sinapom added some mirin and white dashi. Actually, this is a video from a few days ago. It got burnt because of the mirin. In that case, just skip the sugar and add a little salt. And beat well. Heat a frying pan over medium heat, and add some cooking oil. Pour in half of the egg mixture. Yup, it's better to fill the holes. When it's half dry, start rolling it up little by little from the edge. Pour the rest of the egg. Continue to roll it. Done. You can stop the heat. Wrap it in kitchen paper and let it rest. That was fast. The rice is cooked. We don't eat the kelp used for soup stock because it loses its flavor. We need to work quickly from here. Transfer the rice to a large bowl. The inner pot of the rice cooker is hot so the rice doesn't mix well in it. Pour the vinegar mixture evenly over the rice. Mix it without blowing air at first. You don't want to crush the rice grains. Mix it so that all the rice grains are coated with vinegar. Then, use the fan to blow away excess steam and heat. The sourness of the vinegar will be mild. You don't have to cool it down. The rice can be warm. Before the rice becomes sticky and clumps, you should stop your hands. Cover with plastic wrap to prevent it from drying out. Let's get back to the fillings. Cucumber is also a typical filling. This may be because it is easier to roll hard things. Cut the cucumber into quarters lengthwise. It's best to prepare ingredients in the same width as the nori seaweed. It's not in season now, so it doesn't seem to taste very good. It's the omelet she cooked earlier. With this width, she could slice it into 3 rods. These are long crab sticks. Sinapom was thinking of joining together short-size ones. The salmon was also cut into strips just for this day. The sashimi blocks that are usually sold are short like this, so they have to be joined together. Well done. Now it's time to roll the sushi. The names may be different, but choose large sheets of nori. Nori has a front and back. This shiny side is the front. Can you see how rough this side is? This is the back. Place it back side up, so the front side will be on the surface when finished. She's marking the rice for 3 divisions. Spread the rice as evenly as possible. Leave about an inch open on the far side. If you put the rice all the way to the edge, the rice will come out when you roll it up. This pink thing is sweetened fish powder. This is made mainly from sea bream and is used in many sushi dishes. She couldn't add sugar to the omelet, so this will help to cover the sweetness a little. These are perilla leaves that often appear in our videos. They go perfectly with sashimi. Make sure to leave some empty space. This is the key to rolling it well. This is mayonnaise with a little soy sauce added. The one on the right is mayonnaise with wasabi added. Hold the nori and fillings from the front and roll them up. It's best not to place slippery ingredients like mayonnaise and avocado at the near side. Oh, I'm so sorry, Sinapom. This nori isn't good. You know the reason she's making sushi rolls twice in a few days is because the nori she used last time was terribly torn. So she bought another pack of nori. This will be a non-traditional sushi roll. This is barbecue sauce for chicken nuggets. Oh, she learned to put them on the far side. Dip the chicken strips and then place them. It's better to place the sauce side down. This is what I said at the beginning. Sushi rolls that can be made without Japanese ingredients. In fact, Sinapom liked this one the best out of the 3. This bamboo mat called sumaki is used to roll sushi. This helps to apply pressure evenly. If you eat it as a homaki, eat it all without cutting it. You cannot talk either. Sinapom isn't that superstitious, so she'll cut them all. It's easier to cut if you wet the knife. You can wet it with tap water. Rice sticks to the knife and makes it difficult to cut. Then wipe it with the wet cloth. Sinapom often forgets to press the record button, so she had a backup camera set up to record. It is a product of Kai Corporation, a manufacturer in Seiki. This knife can easily cut through hard vegetables like pumpkin. If you drop this on your foot, you'll get seriously injured. For people who don't wear shoes indoors, we recommend wearing slippers in the kitchen. Thank you, kitten. Here we go. Was it difficult? I guess not. Sushi rolls are not just on special occasions. You can eat them anytime. Thank you very much for watching. We hope to see you in the next video.